Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Today we are going to continue the episode on qualification of the speaker. Why? Because identifying with the body, we created so many distinctions, so many. As spirit soul, we are common, part and parcel of Krishna. Mamai jivaloke jivabhuta sanatanaha manasasta nindriyani prakrutistani karshati. We have common center. When there is common center, there is possibility of relationship. Relationship exists, there is common center. When you identify with the body, where is the common center? I act on my likes and dislikes. I like this person, I don't like this person. Because he is from my native place, we are all born in the same place. We are same language, are of so many chances. Different or so many this and that. Where is the common center? Because of so many bodily identifications, so many groups are forming. Because of that, India is divided in so many ways according to caste, creed, religion, nationality, etc. It is not getting united anymore. Based on language, they divided previously. Now they are dividing on some other criteria. Because of that, bodily conception is induced. We are Indians, you are Americans. Swaraj, it is a misleading concept because it is based on body. Swaraj. So much it went into the brains of people. Swaraj. Previously Indians are so much spiritual. Now they thought this is spiritual because of misconception. Swaraj is based on body. Now more and more misconceptions are increasing in India. Hardly India also turned into such a degree of bodily conception. No more think of soul. When somebody dies, somebody told, yeah, he is gone. Who is that gone? We don't know. So busy in climbing the ladder of the success, in creating so many insecurities. If you don't study now, you are not going to IIT. If you are not going to IIT, you are not going to get job. So, from now onwards, you are going to follow what we say. Study what we are saying, do what we are doing. That means do what we are doing. Follow us, be successful. From the childhood, we ask what you are going to. Only two opinions, only two options. Doctor or engineer. Somebody is questioned, what is your ambition in our life? He did not know that. What is his ambition? What is his ambition? Ambition means doctor or engineer. Means life has to become very narrow. There is no any other way to live. Now only IIT. Ambition is equal to IIT. Why this? Because they are controlling us. This is the only way you become happy. Without being with us, without we are giving job, you won't live. There is no life. Why such conceptions are prominent in our brain? Because we don't understand that we are spirit soul. If we understand we are spirit soul, nobody can control us. Because we are thinking that we are the body. We don't get job, we don't have security. We don't have money. How that money comes by job, how that job comes is given by these people. I don't study what they told, I can't live. In this way, they control. From the childhood, they systematically control. Everybody is success by that way and happy. So everybody is following. Yes, we are completely convinced. This is what British want to control India. They introduced the education, that is the alternative education, proving that Indians are wrong, British are right. That means we are right. Nowadays they are proud. They are accepting us. They changed the core of education by introducing schools very systematically. They controlled us. So that today nobody has any conception of soul. If you go to Gurukula, the first introduction is that you are not the body. Take austerities. Tolerate the difficulties. Instead of try to create so many amenities in life, simply tolerate. You have taught how to tolerate. You have no need to create all the gadgets today. Just the simple principle. Summary is temporary. That means so many seasons are coming. Summer, winter, autumn and spring like that. Those are temporary. Summer is temporary. Winter is temporary. It is not going to be. You are not going to be so much worried. Agamapayano nityastvam tam titikshashva bharata. They come and go. So just try to learn tolerate. Instead of tolerating, you are purchasing so many gadgets. Scientists are producing so many gadgets. If you educate this, many of the gadgets are not need for many people now. So, more and more quarrels are coming. Fights are coming. We identified with that we are body. Human liberation is comes up from the bodily conception of life. My nation, your nation, his nation, our nation comes up from the bodily conception of life. If we understand we are all children of God, then there is one family, Vasudaika Kutumba, or Vasudeva Kutumba, Vasudeva Kutumba. Why there are so many quarrels? Because we are not understanding this. They only see the differences and distinctions because they don't understand that we are all spirit souls. Such an important concept. Today, world's problems are easily solved if we understand this simple fact. Act on that platform of soul, not on the platform of the body. These are the consequences of not understanding the consequences of the soul. And also, why do bad things happen to good people? Many people asked. We are very good people. And all of a sudden, this accident took place. Now, I lost my faith on God. Many reverses are going to be happen. because of previous reactions. You think that this is the only body. Hey, I did so many good things, but why it happened to me? Why a major calamity in my life? I didn't harm to anyone. No answer. What people become atheistic? There is no God. Even if He is there, merciless. If He is there, why He is not doing anything? If He is not doing anything, means He is not there. In this way, people don't have answers to their problems. Unexpected accidents. There is no answer. They become more atheistic. They lose faith in life. Nobody can explain. Then we become fear of old age, death, disease. If we understand I am going to change my body, then vasamsi jirnani yada vihaya. People are so worried about death. The insurance policies, you know that this is not body, yeah, this is the real insurance. Dehinosmin yada dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tada dehantar praptihi dhirastatra muhyati. My hair is becoming white. Immediately, it is becoming a concern. Then cover it up. How long can we be cover up? Best cover up is understand that this is not the body. By understanding, you can avoid all these worries. You can avoid all these cover-ups. You can avoid all false insurances. Become a dhira. Now I stop here. We will continue in episode 4. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि